Linking on my brain. Okay. Linking on my brain. I got Lincoln on. Alright, so at the recording of this video, we are a little bit past the 5,000 mile mark, coming in at 5,669. We just got our oil changed at Buchanan Kia. So after 5,000 miles, the engine seems like it's getting broken in pretty well. Still rides smooth. Goes over bumps pretty well. can start to feel them a little bit more now that it's starting to break in, but it's still relatively smooth. Engine is still responsive, especially in sport mode. Gets pretty good gas mileage for the size of the vehicle and the size of the engine. Cabin noise is relatively quiet.
Comfort.
Third row is a nice option, but just being honest, it's only for kids to small, average size adults. Anybody over, let's say 5'9", 5'10", may not be comfortable in the third row.
Adjustments where you can pull the seat up, the second row up, for people to get into the back. And if you have smaller kids or smaller adults up in the second row, you can move it up so that the others in the third row are comfortable. So that option is there. You can move the seat back and forth like you can the front seats. You can move back and forth.
So this versus the Telluride, if price wasn't an option.
That's a hard question. I really like the Kia Sorento. If price wasn't an option, I would get the Telluride because it is a truck. This is a truck, but it's more like a minivan. It would probably give you more power, the Telluride.
Oh, this comes in V6.
I like them both, but
So, me personally, some things that I don't like about it is the beige seats. So while the wife is not in here, I cannot actually speak on it. Because here you have a mark right here. You have stains right there, there. And keep in mind that's where the wife sits. Then if we go back here, I think the kids did a better job than actually the wife did as far as keeping it clean. Some other issues I have. Which I'm not sure you can pick up on camera, but yeah, there you go, right there. If you can see that, Yeah, that right there, that's where the wife gnaws at the paint to get in and out the car. Like she's scratching for dear life to get in the car. Now, I don't know how she attempts to open the door, but you can see it's just all along there. And I just wish there was something you could do to protect that part of it. You could probably get it wrapped or something of that nature, but yeah, just look at that. That's hideous. Now me myself, when I open the door, I grab it by the handle and just open. I don't know how or why you would gnaw at the paint right there to attempt to get it open. And it's not as bad back here, but again, it is noticeable, and that's the kids. So it's things like that. On this side, it's not too bad. But again, when I'm driving and the wife gets in, these are the things that you can see that little scratch mark right there. Yeah, stuff like that. The tires overall are doing pretty good. They're wearing evenly and still got good tread for only 10,000 miles. For only 5,000 miles, correction. But overall, it's we still haven't tested this one. Did come equipped with the tow hitch. We have not tested that yet. Perhaps when I do hook my little 5x8 trailer on it, I'll do a video about it. It hasn't been that much of a winter here in Maryland, so we could not test the front wheel drive of this, because this is not the all-wheel drive model. This is the front wheel drive model. So yeah, other than that, it's been a real good vehicle. If you're in the market, I would recommend it. Only thing I would do is maybe get a different color interior instead of the beige, especially if you have kids. And maybe get the windows tinted here. If it's legal in your state, which I doubt, get the windshield tinted. And then that's about it. The color would look good with a dark tint. So yeah, there's the update on the 2019 Kia Sorento LX front wheel drive with just a little over 5,600 miles on it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big fat thumbs up, like it, share it, and please don't forget to subscribe. And as always, y'all be easy. Thanks for watching.